Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is however. However. So in Gujarati we say jo ke, like that. Jo ke or tem chhata. Tem chhata. For however in Gujarati, either you can say jo ke or tem chhata. Tem chhata. જો કે તેમ છતાં તેમ છતાં or જો કે like that. whoever જે કોઈનું whoever જે કોઈનું જે કોઈનું whomever જે કોઈને જે કોઈને. Okay, so this word helps you when you speak Gujarati with your relatives mostly. So if you see, I have covered couple of words like this and we'll see sentences as well one by one. Let me repeat one more time. Whoever, જો કે or તેમ છતાં. જો કે or તેમ છતાં. તેમ છતાં. whoever જે કોઈનું. Okay, જે કોઈનું. When we will see a sentence, that time you will understand better. Right now just try to understand the meaning of this particular word. whoever જે કોઈનું. whomever જે કોઈને. Okay, whomever જે કોઈને. જે કોઈને. I am repeating one more time. However, જો કે, whoever જે કોઈનું or whomever જે કોઈને. Now let's see the sentences one by one. So our first word is however. However. In Gujarati we say જો કે or તેમ છતાં. So here also let me ask ChatGPT. Sorry my friends. Okay, I'm asking to give me one more sentence with jo ke as well. So we'll learn both one by one. So let's see the first sentence. However, I will try again. For example, if you are playing cricket or some game and we haven't hope on, there is no hope to win or something. I'm just trying to build a story so you can understand what exactly this sentence is saying. તેમ છતાં હું ફરી પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. However, I will try again. So now I hope this makes you understanding better. See, when you have heard this word, you might have confusion. But now when you see the actual sentence, you will realize how actually we Gujarati using this word in sentence. તેમ છતાં, however, હું ફરી પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. I will try again. So, હું ફરી. Okay, let me break this. હું ફરી means again. પ્રયત્ન કરીશ means will try. Okay. However means તેમ છતાં હું ફરી means I will again. પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. For try, I mean to give try or to trying something, we Gujarati say prayatna. Prayatna. And to do that act or action, we use કરીશ. Try કરીશ. પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. It's very easy. Just try to understand. however તેમ છતાં હું ફરી પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. I will try again. However તેમ છતાં again means હું ફરી. For again in Gujarati we say ફરીવાર. Okay, or ફરી. For example, if I want to say I will try again, in simply word I can say હું ફરીવાર પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. Okay, ફરીવાર. For again either you can say ફરી or ફરીવાર, both will work. ફરી is okay. Okay, તેમ છતાં હું ફરી means again પ્રયત્ન કરીશ, will try. For પ્રયત્ન in Gujarati we say try. Now the next sentence, which is very similar to the same word, he was tried, he finished the work. Let me remove this. There is a glitch in ChatGPT, but it's okay. This is for our understanding. એ થાકી ગયો હતો means though he was tired, in simply word we can say જો કે એણે કામ પૂરું કર્યું. Okay, let me break down. So here actually the word was our this one. However he finished the work. Okay, એ થાકી ગયો હતો, he was tired. તેમ છતાં, or you can say જો કે એણે means simply word when we say he was tired, though he was tired, still he finished the work. Something like that. I'm just trying to give you a related sentence or examples so you understand what exactly this word or sentence is. Ene means he finished the work. So the complete sentence, એ થાકી ગયો હતો. So to tired in Gujarati we say થાકવું. Okay, થાકી ગયો હતો, he was tired. થાકવું means tired means થાકવું in Gujarati, and that act is, for example, if I want to say I am tired, I say હું થાકી ગયો છું. However જો કે he means એને કામ પૂરું કર્યું, finish the work. So to finish in Gujarati we say પૂરું કરવું. And for this sentence, this particular action we say પૂરું કર્યું. He finished the work means કામ પૂરું કર્યું. He finished. પૂરું કરવું means finish. So this is how, hope you understand this word, which is however. That said, you can use very simply. The next one is whosoever. It means જે કોઈનું. Whosoever in Gujarati we say જે કોઈનું. Yes, so the very beautiful and fresh sentence we received. Whosoever bag this is, please take it. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure you understanding what this sentence, what this word. Whosoever bag this is, please take it. જે કોઈનું, ઓકે, જે કોઈનું આ બેગ છે કૃપયા લઈ જાઓ. ઓકે, જે કોઈનું means whosoever, જે કોઈનું આ બેગ છે means this bag. Okay, this bag. And કૃપયા or મહેરબાની કરીને લઈ જાઓ means please take it. Now we know the meaning of please in Gujarati is either you can say krupiya, but krupiya word is more into Hindi side. So for Gujarati, if you want to use particularly, you can say મહેરબાની કરીને. For please in Gujarati we say meherbani, and when we want to say such a action to carry forward we simply say meherbani કરીને, meherbani કરીને લઈ જાઓ. Or when we want to say some baby is crying, so we simply say meherbani કરીને શાંત રાખો. Okay, make him or her quiet. So the complete sentence will be જે કોઈનું, whosoever, this bag means આ બેગ છે, મહેરબાની કરીને લઈ જાઓ. ઓકે, લઈ જાઓ. ગુજરાતી we say take it. For take it in Gujarati we say લઈ જાઓ. ઓકે, જે કોઈનું, whosoever, this bag આ બેગ છે, પ્લીઝ મહેરબાની કરીને take it લઈ જાઓ. Alright, then whomever, Gujarati we say જે કોઈને. Alright, જે કોઈને. Now the sentence is ready. Sorry, give this book to whomever you trust. See, very beautiful sentence given. Give this book to whomever you trust. તમે or તમને જે કોઈને વિશ્વાસ કરો, or yeah, I think he is right. તમે જે કોઈને વિશ્વાસ કરો તેને આ book આપો. Or we can see, okay, let me break down this first. તમે means you, જે કોઈને, whomever, okay, વિશ્વાસ કરો છો, it means this sentence is trying to say that whomever you trust. For trust in Gujarati we say વિશ્વાસ કરવો. For trust in Gujarati we say વિશ્વાસ, and to do વિશ્વાસ, I mean to do trust, we say વિશ્વાસ કરો or કરવો. તેને આ book આપો. Give this book to whatever, I mean that person. Okay, તેને આ means I'm pointing out. તેને means I'm pointing out. આ book means this book. Okay, તેને means he or she, whatever. આ book means this book, and આપો means give. So now I think you will understand properly. Okay, તમે, whomever means જે કોઈને વિશ્વાસ કરો છો, તમે જે કોઈને વિશ્વાસ કરો છો, because this is something I am trust someone, only then I am giving this book. So that's what I am trying to say. આ book આપો means this book give. Very simple. Okay, for you in Gujarati, તમે, whomever, જે કોઈને, trust means વિશ્વાસ કરો છો, તેને means he or she, I am pointing out someone. આ book means this book, give. આપો, for give in Gujarati we say આપો. So give this book to whomever you trust. તમે જે કોઈને વિશ્વાસ કરો છો તેને આ book આપો. Alright, my dear friends. So this is all about our today's session. Subscribe my YouTube channel to learn Gujarati more. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.